Hey guys, my name is Jason and today in this video I'm gonna talk about a really interesting crypto exchange named as the AAX exchange. So in this video friends, I'll be starting from basics on how you can sign up to AAX exchange, how you can deposit, withdrawal and many more things. And the best thing which I would like to talk about the AAX exchange is the AAX summer promotions that right now going on, wherein you can stake your favorite cryptocurrency, whether it can be ETH, BTC, USDT and many more, and get an APR of up to 60%. Yes friends, up to 60%. So this video altogether would be a really interesting video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel until now, please do subscribe, and while clicking on the bell icon, select the button all. Let us go to the official website of AAX exchange. So I have added my referral link for the same in the description below. So you just need to use my referral link and you will see this instruction that your friend Tech Jason invites you to join AAX. Register now to claim your 110 USDT bonus. There is right now a promotional offer going on wherein you can trade crypto with $0 of fees. So while this promotional offer is running, please make sure that you make the most out of your trades. So in order to get registered to AAX, all you need to insert your email address, set up a new password and make sure that the referral code is correctly inserted. Once you have inserted all your details, click on the register now. I have successfully registered, confirmed my email address as well as set up the two-factor authentication. So once I have done all of that, you can see an offer, buy crypto and win up to 1000 USDT. So it is a promotional offer which will last for 15 more days. And let me tell you friends, in order to be eligible for this offer, you need to buy at least $100 worth of crypto using the fast buy option, and if you are among a lucky winner, you will get the 1000 USDT bonus. Now let us talk about all of the options that you can see in the AAX exchange. So first of all is the link of buying their own native token, which is the AAB token. Then there's a beginner's guide, academy, where you can find various tutorials on how to trade and you can see the news and insights. They also have a 24/7 support center, and let me tell you friends, they reply to your queries really fast and you can have a look all the announcements. And friends, you can also earn money just for pointing out any bugs in their website and earn a really good amount of money. Next is the buy crypto. You can buy crypto with P2P trading, fast buy as well as the convert option. And the other option that you can see is the trade, and you can trade futures in USDT as well as BTC contract. The next option is of savings. We will talk about that a few minutes later. And right now these are all the promotional offers which are going on. You will also see the option for referral program. So please make sure that you use my referral link before you sign up to AAX. And these are all the benefits that you can see. You can also earn for predicting the price of BTC as well as their own native token, which is the AAB token. And there is also a Solana summer offer which is right now going on. These are all the other options like wallet, orders and many more. Let me now take you to my wallets. And here friends, you can see at my spot account there is $0 worth of balance because this is a really new account that I have created. So let me show you how you can deposit USDT into AAX exchange. So the different chains that are supported in USDT are of ERC20, TRC20 as well as of the Solana. So I'll be teaching you how you can withdraw via TRC20. So all you need to do is, this is the deposit address in which you have to send the funds. And let me tell you friends, the minimum deposit is of 1 USDT. So please make sure that you do not send anything that is less than that, and deposit only support up to 8 decimal prices. So in order to deposit, let me take you to my Trust Wallet account. And here friends, you can see the USDT that I am holding right now is of BEP20. So what I'm gonna do is I will simply add the TRC20 USDT and let us wait for a few seconds until my balance is reflected. So let me tell you friends, I was owning around $45 worth of USDT TRC20. So this is the amount that I'm gonna send into the AAX exchange. So in order to send, just click on the send option, and after clicking on the send, in the recipient address, I will simply scan the QR code that is shown over here. And after scanning, the amount that I will send is around $44. And friends, if you are sending TRC20 USDT from Trust Wallet, then make sure that you have at least $1 worth of TRX coin. Let me simply click on the send. Our transfer is on pending. And friends, as you can see over here, the time right now is 10 a.m. and I'm resuming this video just after 2 minutes, and you can see my USDT TRC20 deposit has been successfully completed. And right now I am holding over $45 worth of USDT in the AAX exchange. Now let me teach you how you can trade in AAX exchange. So in order to do that, just click on the trade option. After you click on the trade, the next thing that you need to do is you need to select the pair of tokens. So what I'm gonna do is I'll show you how you can buy the XRP or the Ripple coin, and in the right hand side you will see the market price of XRP or the Ripple. And as you can see over here, the best thing about AAX exchange is that the price fluctuation is really high. This is because there are more and more users that are trading and using the AAX exchange. So this is one of the best things which I liked about this exchange. So I'm gonna buy the XRP of minimum amount, which is 2 XRP. So after choosing the amount, let me click on buy XRP, and you can see in just a second my order has been filled. So in order to check, let me take you to my wallet and search for XRP, and you can see I am right now holding $2.25 worth of XRP. So this is how you can trade and buy any token of your choice. Let me now teach you how you can withdraw your tokens. In order to withdraw, click on the withdraw option. Before you can actually withdraw, you need to set up a payment password. So it should be of 6 digits. So after inserting a new payment password, you just need to insert your Google Authenticator code. And let me tell you friends, this payment password you will need every time you're withdrawing your payment. So please make sure that you insert something you remember for lifetime. And after you set up your payment password, the next thing that you need to do is you need to insert the deposit address of the token in which you want to withdraw, then insert the quantity. And the next best feature about AAX exchange is that the withdrawal fee is really low. You can see friends, the withdrawal fee of XRP is just around 28 cents. And if I show you for USDT, you can see if you are choosing ERC20, withdrawal fee is just of over $8. And if you compare this with other top exchanges, you will have to pay at least a fee of around $12 to $15. And in the TRC friends, withdrawal fee is just of 10 cents. And if you're using Solana, the withdrawal fee is of just 50 cents. So this is really one among the things which I personally like very much about the AAX exchange. Now let us talk about the savings which I had kept for later. So this is the place wherein you can stake your favorite cryptocurrencies. You can see you will get an APR of up to 60% for staking your tokens. You can stake BTC, ETH, USDT, USDC, LPT, Kava, and there are many more options that you can see over here. And I'm gonna show you how you can stake your USDT tokens and get an APR of 60%. The duration, as you can see over here, is of 7 days, and minimum amount is of just $10. And before you can actually stake your coins, you first need to complete your KYC verification. So let me just click on the verify now. So these are all the details that you will need in order to complete your KYC verification, and these are the benefits. If you are a KYC verified person, you can quick buy and sell, you can make use of the P2P trading, you can also make use of the savings. And the withdrawal limit is also too high if you are a KYC verified member. Now let us talk about what are the requirements in order to complete your KYC verification. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to select your country, and next thing that you need to do is you need to select which country are you right now in. Then you need to insert your last name, middle name, your first name, then the date of birth, gender, ID type. 3 types of IDs would be accepted: any government issued identity card, passport, as well as driving license. And then the next thing that you need to do is you need to insert your ID number. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be simply inserting my details and click on the next. And friends, as you can see over here, it will take less than 24 hours in order to review your submission. It took me less than 2 minutes for my KYC verification to get completed. So this was one among the fastest verification that I have done until now. As I have passed the level 1 of the verification, I can now participate in the staking program. So let me again take you to the savings, and let me click on the subscribe. After clicking on the subscribe, you can see friends, the maximum amount that you can stake is of $100, and the estimated API that you will receive is of 60%. So let me click on the max option, and here friends, you can see my balance is showing as $0. You just need to click on the transfer now option. So after you click on the transfer now option, it will help you to convert your spot account balance into your AAX savings account. So all you need to do is in the quantity amount, insert the dollar amount that you want to reflect over here. For example, I have inserted the amount as $40, and you can see $40 has been transferred into my savings account. Now once I'm done, I'll simply click on the subscribe and you can see my savings subscription has been successfully completed. So in order to have a look at that, you just need to click on the finances. After clicking on the finances, the expiry date is of 1 week later and I have set into auto renew so that I do not have to manually stake every single week. And if you want, you can also redeem your amount early, but I'll suggest you keep it for as long as you can to get a good amount of returns from the AAX exchange. So this was pretty much a review about the AAX exchange and how you can stake your favorite cryptocurrencies. Also, I taught you about how you can trade and buy your favorite cryptocurrency, how to deposit as well as withdraw your cryptocurrency. So that is it for the video. So guys, I hope that you have watched this whole video and got a deep understanding about the AAX exchange. If you got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have taught in this particular video, you can comment down below. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.